Oh!
Like that's a dead animal or something.
Putting my basket to test. Oh my god, it's so pretty! It's a bit damaged, but it's pretty as fuck. They're so pretty.
Yeah. Right.
Compared to the others are more like square. I think they should be darker if they go on that wall. I think that they like the white
you're
thing
right.
is too much. Can you stand there? I really like that the other place how we had them on top of the sofa. Like
What if we want to put two?
I like both options actually.
Can we try to put this? Yes.
Yes. It's pretty. I'm not even sure I want it white or wood though.
They fit too many places.
I know, that's too pretty. We could also start with this one here and the other two there. Or, because if we put this one here and Kiki in the kitchen, where do we put House Moving Castle? And where will the Japan map go? Good morning. It is Sunday today. It's the first weekend that we are by ourselves. Because last weekend we had my friends visiting and before it was just when we moved in. So yeah, it feels nice to be by ourselves. But there's still a lot to do and I think we powered through a lot of things yesterday. Sorry for my voice, I literally just woke up. But yeah, we unpacked all the boxes now. We only have one left with some bottles that we need to figure out where they go. But we unpacked all the other boxes and we brought a lot of things to the basement yesterday. This is how it was looking. But yeah, now we cleared the floor space, almost all of it. And we are putting shelves in the... We put some shelves in the office during the week that we are now trying to figure out how to decorate and what to keep out there and what to keep hidden away. So that's an ongoing thing right now. We're also trying to decorate the shelf that we have here in the living room. And then hopefully today we'll just clear the rest of the things that we have around. Like we have the dining table full of things, for example, and the coffee table as well. So hopefully we'll clear those things out today and then we're gonna start with the frames. We're not fully sure where we want everything to be. We were having a look at it yesterday and I think we're just gonna place them somewhere with comment strips just so we can see if that's where we like them or not and see how it feels. So I hope we can put a lot of frames up today and see how the space feels with decoration on the walls. I'm really excited about that. So I think that's today's plan, and maybe we'll go to the old place to grab boxes. We have a lot of empty boxes in the storage from the TV, our screens, stuff like that. We also have our Christmas tree there. So in the next couple of weeks we need to empty that and bring it to our basement storage. So we'll see if we do some today, because the weather is not too nice, at least not for now. It looks very, very foggy, but yeah, gonna have my coffee. As soon as Morten wakes up, we'll start putting things up.
Doing my duty.
We're trying to organize this area so we can hang the Dyson, and then so we can hang some tools and things here and bags. So just holding the tessa tape. Can you hang it just to see how it looks? I think it's nice that somewhere it's put as a must as well, you know?
Yeah. Do you want this over? Cardboard is missing one. Like, it cannot be under Miyazaki, I don't think so. But even though it looks cool.
But then why isn't it in this side? The problem is that when you have them like this,
Because
you
we
see
want
white.
to kind of alternate the values.
Also, once we put light on, I want to find a way to hang these ones
Yeah.
so you see through. I feel like these ones are so pretty if we could have them like open. Can't believe I don't have any more holes to like stuff here, but I think you go up or down. But
You can totally pass, but it is a full fucking wall here.
it's nice when you're watching a movie or something and you're a lot of people that you can put the pillows in your head.
Yeah.
Because now it's like
Like looking there, I'm getting so much like light and information in from here that I kind of want.
it feels like you're not part of the rest of the room.
Yeah. Okay, so let's get the exact measurement of the whole wall. Okay, so that's 3 right here. Okay. 300 and
41. 340.
okay. So then also like, do we want it completely even or how do we? Probably not. We probably want it more
Centered, right?
more central.
For me, I think so. And then I'll hold it.
You want to see it closer or? And down, down, down. Okay, then. Okay, and move them out.
Today is 27th of August, last week of the month, and we've been doing so many things and we have improved so much. Like it looks so nice now. We put up some frames in the weekend, we finished the office, we started with the decoration. I'm super grateful that Martin took that task because he's pretty good with composition, so it was really nice to see him like just playing around with the things. So everything is in its place, or almost everything. There's still a lot of things that need to be organized, like in the closet and under the sink in the bathroom, and we still need to bring some boxes that we had in the storage shed in the other place. We need to bring them to the storage unit here. So there's still a lot of things that need to be organized, but overall everything is in its place. Also the outside area, we haven't done anything to it, and I think that it just needs to be functional for now, and then we'll plan something for it after the winter, because I think that it's a bit useless to spend time making it nice now when in 2 weeks it's gonna start getting colder. So I think that that's gonna have to wait. I think I'm gonna take you on a little tour around so you can see how it's looking at the moment before we finish the vlog. I also took a video yesterday night, so I'm gonna probably put a few shots from that so you see it in nightlight and with daylight. I'm gonna wait an hour or so we get most of the sunlight in, because now it's just starting to come into the living room. So I want to show it with like full-on light, which is really beautiful. Oh my god.
That is not what I expected.
Spooky stuff. I say yes. We will just have it for the next years. Come on, we need this skeleton, Martin. Look at it. It is so cool. He's going away. He doesn't know how to say no anymore. This is a bit too heavy. Perfect. Will it work?
I mean, the hands are going out, but yes.
I will need a bigger pot, but I need your help. Too heavy. Please.
Potatoes. meatloaf.
Nice. This is gonna be the end for now, and I think I'm gonna keep filming when I do things and group it into an episode for later in the future, or whenever we redo the outside. Or yeah, I also want to tackle the other balcony, the little balcony that's on the bedroom. I want to put fake grass or something and like a cozy little corner so we can actually use it in the morning. I don't want it to be like a forgotten space that we're never going to use. Like, I want to make the most out of it. So that's also another project coming up. Also, I'm still open to trying things with the microwave. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed. It's been crazy for us. A lot of work. I'm really happy that we are where we are now with only like 3.5-ish weeks. I'm really grateful for that, and also for my parents that came and helped us a ton, because we couldn't have done this without them. And with that said, I'm just gonna go now, and I'll see you on the next one. This blue wall is going away. It can fall down at any second. We realized that was meant to be on the side and not at the front. Martin, stop it.